Hey, Amazon got me again, this time on Prime Day. So I've been studying these inflatable tents, and so they had one half price. It's $400. I believe the company's name is Action or something. I'll put the link down in the description. But here's the video of unboxing it. After a few summers, sitting here with a tent and getting tired of messing with these metal poles and stuff that go in them, I've decided to try a blow up tent. Here we go.
I need help. I need your help. Lift that side. Right here. Grab this right here.
So Mom and Dad
Grab
got
right here.
me. It's like a Swiss Army knife, only bigger.
Grab that.
Has a hammer.
Okay, ready? Help me lift.
It has a hammer on it.
Ready? We're gonna lift it up. Ready?
Get it, grandson.
Thank you. Keep going. Push.
Come on, Eli.
Oh, there we go.
All right.
All right. Now we gotta undo it out of this. Yep.
That's a tent, babe.
All right. Go ahead. Put that away.
So it comes with everything all rolled up in it. Oh, it's even got the tent stakes.
Let me see.
Those all metal ones?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I bought extra ones too.
Here, Eli.
All right, bye, love you.
Put it in here and grab the bag. Right here. Where'd it go? Right here. Gonna put it in that little bag right there. Good job.
It looks fairly simple, and we'll see how it turns out when it inflates.
Up and down. There you go. Good job.
Yeah, they say it should pump up in a matter of minutes, but you try, Eli. Attaboy. Put your foot on it. Put your foot on it, son.
Oh, that's going.
Attaboy. You might get it pumped up before your dad gets back. My grandson.
You sure there's not two?
So actually, we thought we'd
Stand
be
in the
slick,
middle
and
of it,
we
Dale.
put on a battery-operated air pump, and it was not enough. 4 or 5 pumps was the one it came with, and here we go. I looked down, son. It said it's only supposed to be like 7 or 8 pounds.
It's at 2.
All right.
Whoa.
That's pretty slick, actually. So there's the moonroof on it. It's got these little side windows right here. This is an awning that comes out when you spike it up. It comes with its tie downs already on there. Another back door with a screen. Here's the inside of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of room in this thing.
All right, I'm nervous. I don't want to blow it up no more.
Look how sturdy that is. Oh, yeah. How many pounds is it?
7 or 6.
6 pounds. Oh, that's why you go 7. You just deflated it. And this right here is a chimney vent. So you cut yourself a little hole where your fireplace pipe comes out of.
That's sweet.
So the little fireplaces are like $200. You basically burn kindling in it. But got the awning, cover screen.
Velcro to close it, right?
Yeah,
That is cool.
that's cool. It's not very tall to get in. It's still like getting in a regular tent. But once you get inside here, and it airs back up again, there's enough room to walk around in here. Yeah.
Yeah, there's enough room for all of us to lay.
So we lay this way across in here. And or I should say this
Yeah, I
way.
was gonna say
That's
this
this
way.
way. And it should get about 4 adults in there.
Yeah.
So I know I have my cot that'll go in this corner right here. So when it's just Freya and I, we'll have plenty of room in there. We'll be able to put our chair in there. It's got all the D rings along the side here. And like I say, you take these and you attach them to your guy line down here, and you got your little shade covering with your window underneath there for draft. Everything rolls up. Did you put air in there?
Not enough like that.
No, I didn't refill it.
Already-
Lawnmower in the back. Is it? Am I unplugging this?
Yeah, let's put it away. Remember how you did it. Yeah, I'm psyched about this tent.
But hurry up. 3, 2.
You good, Paul?
Ready?
Yeah. Got that corner?
How done? How done? How done? Leave it.
Hey, let's
Put it
make
back.
sure the bag is the same width as your fold.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. There we go.